What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we have our beloved Lucy Red Iguana full posable hand. If you have been keeping up with my videos, then you probably saw my last upload. If you have not been keeping up with my uploads, go ahead and check out my previous video. I will link it in the cards. This is my third little Red Iguana special dedicated video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how, actually, I want to say this is my fourth one. I got two unboxings, one of them where I show you guys how to do the natural nail beds, and this will be the fourth one. And I'm going to show you guys how I make her look even more realistic. And I've never even done this. I just used makeup that I have on hand. I didn't have like any special makeup to use. It turned out super nice. She looks a lot more realistic. I don't know, it's so creepy because naturally she looks pretty realistic, but when you add the powder, it gives her it makes her skin look even more real, even more textured. And then you add the highlights, the shadows, the contours, a little bit of shimmer here and there, and you guys are gonna see that I just kind of did anything. It wasn't something where I really knew what I was doing and I was looking for a certain end result. It was just an experiment. And then I did end up mainly doing the index finger and the middle finger, so you guys will be able to see how it compares to the ring finger and the pinky finger at the end result. I want you guys to go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you have any videos where you have done this, please go ahead and drop them in the comments so that we can check out your videos. I definitely have watched a few of these before and they're all different. My makeup is pretty much like the bare minimum makeup. Like I have bare mineral makeup, which is just like a super fine powder, and like Wet n Wild contour and Broadway eyeshadows, which are from like Dollar General or something. So I wonder if it's like if you would get even better results if you had like high quality makeup, or perhaps if you guys know like any skin tones of makeup that automatically match this complexion that would blend perfectly, so let's chat it up in the comment section down below. There's not a whole lot for me to tell you guys in this video, so it will mostly be just for you guys to watch. But I love you guys so much and thank you for all of your support. If you're not subscribed already and you would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe so that you can ring the notification bell and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys so much. You can find me on Instagram at Scorpion Goddess Nails, and my blog www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog is a place to visit as well. Currently under construction. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of this. I'll be back at the end. Okay guys, so this is pretty much more or less the end of the process, and I don't know about you guys, but I can totally see the difference. It's not like a huge difference, it's a subtle difference, but it makes a big impact. And do you guys see how this hand naturally looks very realistic, but OMG, when you do this, it looks even more real. It took everything out of me not to go like buy like eyeliner, a gel eyeliner pen and like start drawing on it and see what I could do, because this girl commented and said that she has a hand that's, or she's saving up for a hand that comes already tattooed and it looks super realistic. But this was just a little experiment. I think it came out really nicely. It just makes her look more real. Like, can you guys see it? I can totally see it. So drop comments down below and let me know what you thought of this video and if it was helpful. And as you guys know, I am really looking forward to seeing you go ahead and put some makeup on your hand and make it look more realistic. If that's something you're interested in, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Ahala. Peace.